Bros, well done.
Please give me money to buy food. I'm hungry.
So do you think I will have money and still be looking for snail? You think I will have money and still be looking for snail? I don't know why you people think like this. Don't go and look for your own snail. In fact, if I turn around and see you in this place again, I will deal with you. Don't go and look for work, idiot.
Will you keep
Nonsense.
quiet?
Beggar, beggy.
And they never leave you. They have left you behind.
You can wish. You can wish. You can wish. Wish that is blood body.
Let's go there. Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. Now walk to one end of the screen and then be pretending just do as if you're hungry or something is disturbing you. You can say anything, you can use any method to act to this particular part, understand? But make sure you are doing this with an imaginary person. Just imagine that there's someone right there beside you, so you are acting like that. So when you are done with all this, you can now stretch your hand, just bring out your hand. You can decide to put it either from your head or from your pocket, from anywhere. Then you just as if you are throwing something on the floor, so the ground is going to open. So just everything is through imagination. You are doing all these ones. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So you laugh, you do anything you want to do, then you can now stretch your hand again. That's when you are trying to seal to cover the ground. So you just do like what you are seeing on your screen. You get my point? When you are done with all these ones, you can now walk away, then go to the other end of the screen and then do as if you are searching something. I was standing just close to this small bush, so I did as if I was searching for snails. You understand? If you eat snail, you understand. So guys, please just like this video, share this video so YouTube will distribute this video to many other people. You know, we need to grow. We need to grow. So from this particular point, the character is still looking for something. It is still, you remember, so from here the character will just do as if he wants to go move backward and then fall down. You see, I just fell down from here. So when you are done with all these ones, you can now save the video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. You get my point? So guys, on Capcut, click on new project. So you import the video you just recorded to Capcut. You get my point? So as you can see, I'll have to delete some parts here at the beginning of the video because I don't want them to be included. That's when I'm working in. So I'll just tap on this particular layer, then click on split, delete the beginning of the video. So this is how I want the video to start. You get my point? So from here I'll have to keep scrolling. To that part where I am leaving this particular position. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So guys, please like this video, share this video on your social media platforms. You get my point? So from this part I'm walking away, this is how I want the video to end. You get my point? So somewhere here I will just tap on the video layer, this layer right here, then I will tap on split. You get my point? So this one, after splitting, you don't delete it. You go and look for overlay. Alright, see overlay, click on overlay. So now drag this one to the beginning of the video. I believe you are following. Just follow it step by step. Understand? You can watch it up to 2 or 3 times so you know how to do it by yourself. You get my point? So just take it to the beginning of the video. So now what is showing on your screen is the second layer, which is the overlaid video. So we are going to look on how we want it to start. I'll just tap on this layer. I'll tap on the second layer, then I will split and delete the beginning part of it. Understand? So that is just it. Delete it. So this is how it's gonna be. You drag it again, just drag it to get to the beginning to align. Guys, I believe you get my point. So you tap on the second layer, go and look for mask. Let's go look for mask, bro. So see mask here, click on mask, click on horizontal. So you have to turn it to reveal, turn it to minus 100 to reveal the two characters. So when you are done with that, you can click on this OK icon. Let's go. So guys, at this point where the character is still searching for the snail, so we go to overlay, click on add overlay, bring the effect. Now go to remove BG, click on it, click on chroma key, hover the circle to where it will show green. You get my point? So increase the intensity to 100, shadow to 100. Now tap on OK. You get my point? So now, as you can see, the green color is still showing on the effect. So you'll have to click on this navigation button. You get my point? Go and look for adjust, because we don't want to see that green color again. Click on adjust. Go and click on HSL. Look at it here. Tap on it. Now tap on green. Reduce the saturation to minus 100. And that's the magic. Guys, like this video now. Click on OK. Click on OK. You get my point? So look at it here. Look at the ground is divided now. So it's now left for the character to fall inside. So we need to pay attention right here. You need to pay attention right here. So now position the effect at the back of the character. That's when the character wants to move backwards, he will fall in. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Just something like what you are seeing on your screen right now. You get my point? From this point where the character is about falling, that is when you tap on the second layer, you click on split and delete the ending part of it, so the character will disappear. Something like this. So you tap on it, go and look for freeze. Let's go and look for freeze. Now click on freeze. Just allow it to be like that. You get my point? So what you will do from here is for you to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. You like and share. So go and remove background. Click on remove BG. Understand? Auto removal. You remove background on that particular layer. So you tap on OK. So if you want me to mentor you on video editing, my WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. Guys, please, WhatsApp only. You get my point? If you are willing to learn, I'll be glad to mentor you. So you chat me on WhatsApp. So now at this particular layer, you just freeze the beginning of it. You tap on it. You tap on keyframe. You add keyframe at the beginning of this layer. You just freeze. Now you go towards the ending part of that same layer and add another keyframe. So you will drag the character inside. You get my point? So that is just it, guys.
So when you are done with it, this is how it is going to be. You get my point? Let's just see how it's gonna be. You see the character has fallen inside. Now duplicate the effect. You get my point? So you have it here. So what we want to do from here is we want the ground to cover itself again. So you will tap on this effect layer, the one you just duplicated. Go and look for reverse. Look for reverse. Where is reverse, bro? Look at it here. Click on reverse. Just allow it to reverse 100%. Make sure this is done when you are stretching your hand to do the magic, just like what you see me do here on screen. You understand? So you set it very well. So guys, when you are done with all this, you get my point? You don't have to do any other thing again than for you to save this video to your gallery. So guys, make sure you like and share this video. So see you in our next video.